Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of natural remedies and holistic wellness with a product that's truly revolutionary. If you're someone who's passionate about nurturing plants and harnessing their healing properties, then you're in for a treat. Introducing the From Seed to Remedy, Nurturing Plants with the Medicinal Garden Kit. This all-in-one kit is designed to empower you to grow your own medicinal herbs and plants right in the comfort of your own home. Let's take a closer look at what's inside. First up, kit has a variety of organic seeds carefully selected for their medicinal properties. From soothing chamomile to aromatic lavender, these seeds are the building blocks of your very own healing garden. But what truly sets this kit apart is the comprehensive instructional booklet included. It's not just a guide on how to grow your plants, it's a journey from seed to remedy. You'll learn about the medicinal properties of each herb, how to harvest them at the right time, and how to create your very own natural remedies at home. As someone who's always been passionate about holistic wellness, I can't stress enough the importance of knowing where your remedies come from. With the Medicinal Garden Kit, you have full control over the entire process, from planting the seeds to crafting your own tinctures and teas. Imagine the satisfaction of sipping on a cup of tea made from herbs you grew and harvested yourself. It's a feeling like no other. So, whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete novice, the From Seed to Remedy, Nurturing Plants with the Medicinal Garden Kit is your ticket to a greener, healthier lifestyle. Click the link in the description below to get your own kit today and start your journey towards self-sufficiency and wellness. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and until next time, happy gardening.